I am Annie, and this is a guided meditation for Heal With You. Please take a moment to find a quiet, safe space where you can relax for the duration of this meditation, making sure all cell phones are silenced and the area you are in is somewhere you cannot be disturbed. Before beginning this meditation, please read the disclaimer in the video description below and reach out to any of the crisis resources if needed. When we are in physical discomfort, if we can pause for a moment, catch our breath, and tune into our body, we can listen better to what our body is saying. This is when we can learn the language of our body. When we learn this language and begin to listen to what the body wants, we can do what is best for our body in the moment. This meditation will help you to tune into your body during times of headaches, after a headache passes, or in between periods for those who live with them daily. Giving you a space and time to catch your breath, listen to your body, slow the mind, and relax. Take a moment to find your breath, noticing how you're feeling in this moment. Not trying to change anything. Just allowing your awareness to focus on your breathing. Noticing how the air passes in and back out of the body. Breathing in and breathing out. With this awareness, begin to notice how you breathe when you are witnessing any discomfort or pain. For some of this breathing may be faster, and for others it may be shorter, or it may look like you holding your breath. However your breathing is in this present moment, allow it just for now to flow more evenly. Breathing in for 1, 2, 3, 4, and out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in for 1, 2, 3, 4, and out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Allowing the breath to become slow and even, which will allow the physical body to begin to enter relaxation. Breathing in and breathing out. With this calm, slow breathing, bring your focus to your physical body, noticing how it feels where you are resting and where you may be holding any tension. Simply allowing your mind to bring gentle presence into these areas. Bringing your focus to your top of your head, feeling the relaxation entering the crown. Feeling it begin to soothe the body as a healing energy. Visualizing this energy flow like a mist, flowing from the crown into the area of the eyes, soothing them as they lay closed and resting behind the eyelids. This healing energy flows down to the area of the nose and sinuses, soothing and relaxing this area of the body, releasing any tension you may be holding here, allowing the body to rest and heal. This healing energy flows down into the area of the teeth and jaw, allowing you to let the teeth unclench, the jaw relax, and the tongue to lay heavy in the mouth. This healing energy heals and relaxes this area of the body, allowing any healing to occur here where it needs to. This gentle awareness and healing energy flows down into the neck and shoulders, releasing any tension you may be holding here. Letting the shoulders lay heavy and the neck to feel relaxed. Letting any healing take place in this area as you lay resting. This healing energy flows into the chest. It allows the rib cage to lay heavy and the heart to beat strong, helping your blood to circulate in a healthy manner, bringing you fresh oxygenated air to all areas of the body. This healing energy flows into the abdomen, helping you to digest the foods you eat, giving you the most nutrient availability, helping you to keep your body strong. The energy nourishes the organs in this area, helping you to filter your blood, process your waste, and hydrate your body. The healing energy flows through the legs and feet, relaxing the muscles in your hips, your knees, and your ankles as it passes through, offering you the opportunity to feel grounded in the present moment, giving you the ability to fully focus on your body and its healing. Give yourself a moment to sit with this healing energy as you simply breathe in and breathe out. Bring your awareness to your physical body once again. Noticing how it's feeling in this moment. How it feels when you are relaxed. Knowing you can reach this feeling on your own at any time. Knowing that healing doesn't necessarily mean a cure, but instead it means to make whole. Allowing you to become present with your body so you can listen and heal. Take a moment to once again find your breath. Taking a long, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out. Allowing this relaxation you are feeling to flow with you for the rest of the day. Letting the body awaken on its own. And when that moment comes, allowing yourself to awaken the body with small, gentle movements. Thank you for taking this time for you and your body. And remember, healing always starts with you. Please click like, share, and subscribe to us on YouTube. When subscribed, you can enable notifications to remind you every time a new meditation is released. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Heal With You, or subscribe to our newsletter, where I send out a brief email with the release of each new meditation. These are all listed in the video description below or linked above in our banner.